What would happen if you replaced all drinks with water? That's exactly what we're exploring in today's video. Staying hydrated is crucial for survival and optimal body function. Health guidelines recommend around 15.5 cups of fluids per day for men and about 11.5 cups for women. But how many cups do you drink each day, and how many of those are just water? Do you even drink plain water? Have you ever wondered what would happen if you replaced all your daily beverages, your morning coffee, lunchtime soda, evening glass of wine, with plain, simple water? Imagine waking up tomorrow and committing to replacing every beverage you normally drink, whether it's coffee, tea, soda, or juice, with pure, simple water. While it may initially seem daunting, this single change could unleash a cascade of transformations in your physical and mental well-being. Before we begin, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content on health and wellness. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post something new. Just a quick reminder, if you are on a specialized diet set by your doctor that includes fluids fortified with electrolytes, please continue with that. Don't stop any doctor-recommended treatments without consulting them first. Now, let's get started and explore the remarkable changes that happen when you replace all your drinks with water. First up on the list of things that will likely happen is better hydration. When you replace all your drinks with water, one of the most immediate and significant benefits you'll experience is better hydration. It's pretty straightforward. Water is the most effective way to keep your body hydrated without any added sugars, caffeine, or other substances that might interfere with hydration. Think about it. Your body is roughly 60% water. Every cell, tissue, and organ needs water to function properly. By consistently drinking water throughout the day, you're giving your body exactly what it needs. Sure, if you drink your recommended 15.5 or 11.5 cups of fluids a day, chances are you won't be dehydrated. But the thing is, if your fluids come in the form of coffee, soda, or wine, they will come with additives like caffeine, salt, sugar, and alcohol that can affect your body. It's not just about avoiding dehydration. You need to do it properly. Good hydration is linked to a whole host of health benefits. For instance, it's associated with a reduction in urinary tract infections, hypertension, fatal coronary heart disease, and even venous thromboembolism. That's a lot of big words to say that water is really, really good for you. Another great benefit of replacing all your drinks with water is healthier skin. When you swap out all your drinks for water, your skin is in for a treat. One of the most noticeable benefits you'll likely experience is healthier, more radiant skin. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink from the inside out. A study published in the journal Clinical Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology found that increasing water intake can have a positive effect on skin hydration and function. Imagine your skin cells as tiny water balloons. When they're properly filled, they look plump and smooth. That's exactly what proper hydration does for your skin. But it's not just about looking good, though that's a nice bonus. Proper hydration is crucial for your skin's protective functions. Your skin is your body's first line of defense against the outside world, and keeping it well hydrated helps it do its job better. It's like giving your personal bodyguard a power-up. Here's something cool. Researchers also found that drinking about 2.25 litres, that's about 9.5 cups of water daily for a month, actually changes skin density and thickness. That's right, drinking water can potentially make your skin more resilient and supple. Who knew staying hydrated could be like a mini facelift? And let's not forget about that healthy glow everyone's after. When you're well hydrated, your skin looks more vibrant and alive. It's like turning up the brightness of your complexion. Many people report a more radiant appearance when they increase their water intake. Now, don't expect miracles overnight. It takes time for your body to adjust and for the benefits to show. But stick with it, and you might just find yourself doing double takes in the mirror, wondering who that glowing person is looking back at you. Remember, while drinking water is fantastic for your skin, it's not a magic cure-all. For best results, pair your increased water intake with a good skincare routine. Think of it as a team effort. You're hydrating from the inside and taking care of the outside too. Now onto something else that can happen when you replace all your drinks with water, and it may be something you're not expecting. It's Improved cognitive function. It turns out that staying properly hydrated is crucial for keeping your brain in top form. Your brain is like a supercomputer, and just like any high-tech device, it needs the right conditions to function at its best. Water is essentially the coolant that keeps this biological computer running smoothly. When you're well hydrated, your brain cells can communicate more efficiently, leading to better cognitive performance across the board. Here is where it gets interesting. You don't need to be severely dehydrated to experience cognitive effects. Even mild dehydration can throw a wrench in your mental gears. A 2019 study on the effects of dehydration and rehydration on cognitive performance and mood found that dehydration of just 1 to 3% of body weight can impair many aspects of brain function. And you might not even feel thirsty at that level. And it gets even more interesting. Another study showed that being dehydrated by just 2% can lead to a 5% decrease in cognitive function. That might not sound like much, but imagine trying to solve a tricky problem or remember an important detail with your brain working at 95% capacity. Not ideal, right? When you replace all your drinks with water, you're essentially giving your brain a constant supply of its favorite fuel. This can lead to improvements in various cognitive areas, such as better concentration and focus, improved short-term memory, faster reaction times, and enhanced problem-solving skills. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system simply by staying hydrated. And what's even better is that proper hydration doesn't just help with immediate cognitive tasks. Maintaining good hydration over time might even help slow cognitive decline as we age. So by swapping out those sodas and coffees for water, you're not just helping your brain today, you're investing in your mental future. Remember, your brain is about 75% water. By consistently choosing water over other drinks, you're ensuring that this vital organ always has the resources it needs to perform at its best. Next up is another benefit you'll get if you replace all your drinks with water, and it's better organ function. When you swap out all your drinks for water, you're essentially giving your body's vital organs a refreshing boost. Starting with your kidneys, these hard-working filtration units absolutely love water. A study published in the BMC Nephrology found that higher water intake was associated with better kidney function. It's like giving your kidneys a power wash. The more water you drink, the easier it is for them to flush out toxins and waste products. Plus, staying well hydrated can help prevent those pesky kidney stones. Moving on to your liver, this multitasking organ also benefits from increased water intake. Water helps the liver break down fats more efficiently and supports its crucial role in detoxification. Last but not least, let's not forget about the organs in your digestive system. Water is a crucial player in the digestive process. It helps break down food, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more effectively. The Mayo Clinic confirms that drinking water during or after a meal aids digestion rather than hindering it. Plus, adequate hydration can help prevent constipation, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. By replacing all your drinks with water, you're giving your body's key organs the support they need to function at their best. It's a simple change that can have far-reaching benefits for your overall health. In addition to the benefits we've mentioned, there are also several other possible advantages to replacing all of your drinks with water. These include weight loss, as swapping out sugary sodas and calorie-laden lattes for water can help you shed a few pounds. It can also reduce the risk of dental issues, since water doesn't leave behind residue that can lead to tooth decay, unlike sugary or acidic drinks. Moreover, drinking more water can lower blood sugar levels. A study in diabetes care suggested that people who drank more water had a lower risk of developing high blood sugar levels. Water helps your kidneys flush out excess blood sugar through urine, potentially helping to keep glucose levels in check. Additionally, staying hydrated can help lower blood pressure. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, which can lead to increased blood pressure, so maintaining proper hydration can help you avoid this issue. Finally, replacing other drinks with water might improve sleep quality. Dehydration can lead to discomfort that disrupts sleep, so staying hydrated throughout the day might help you drift off more easily at night. And there you have it. What would happen if you replaced all drinks with water? Replacing all your drinks with water can lead to a host of benefits for your overall health and well-being. From improved hydration and weight loss, to better skin health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. The simple act of choosing water over other beverages can make a significant impact. By making this change, you may also experience clearer thinking, improved digestion, and better sleep quality. Your body will function more efficiently, thanks to the elimination of excess sugars, caffeine, and artificial additives found in many other drinks. Of course, it's important to remember that individual needs can vary. If you have specific dietary requirements or medical conditions, always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you like to show your gratitude, consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise for some fantastic finds. Your support allows us to continue creating informative content and spreading awareness about important health topics. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Have you tried replacing all your drinks with water? What changes did you notice? Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take care of your body. Thank you for watching.